guys, April 24th, 2020. In the midst of the Corona, the bad flu, mama. Oh yeah, we're going out to work. We got a job. Anyway, I got a call from a customer of mine, got no heat, elderly couple. So he's gonna meet me over there. He says they're not sick. The boiler's down in the basement anyway. He says they're not sick. I told him you better keep your distance from me. He said he's gonna wait outside, so we'll see about that. But I know they got a oil-fired, I think it's a Burnham boiler with 2 zones. It's in a little ranch house, and I know they got a power venter there, so it might have something to do with the power venter. If the power venter's not running, ain't nothing gonna run, so we'll have to check it out. Get you some shots. I think he's got zone valves there. Might be a zone valve. Maybe the pilot might be out. It's known to, that thing's known to pilot to go out over there, so I think it's a standing pilot. So, but it might be something simple. It is a gas-fired boiler with a power venter in the ranch. That's what we're gonna go look at. Fine, give it to you. How you doing, mama? Yeah, I miss working, man, I'll tell you. Sucks staying home. Now, I guess the infection rate keeps going up and up and up in my state. It's supposed to be a hot spot. Hasn't started going down. They're testing more, so finding more people with it. Whatever. I'm ready to start saying, flip it, I'm going out. Let my immune system fight it off. Looks like I need new wipers. My wipers are falling apart. I'm falling apart, Molly. Oh yeah, I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart, one piece at a time here. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Power venter's running, but I know it's not that. That's open. That's okay. It's probably the pilot. Might be the pilot out. We want to be careful because this is still live, right? Yeah, the pilot's out. Power off to the boiler. Alright, so we're gonna have to get that out of there. Fix that. Put a new thermocouple in there and try it. Best way to do it is take these both right out and take the whole assembly out. That's the best way. The easiest way to do it. Might be a wire in the back holding them, no? No, it should come out. there, ready to go. I have changed the gas valve on this thing before. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but alright, we got that in there, and run this up all nice and clean. Bitch. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Not easy being cheesy. To get that bitch in there. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Wow, what a bitch. Alright, so make sure we got them all in there good. I got the new thermocouple in there. Make sure this is tight, you know. I have changed the gas valve before on this thing. Turn the gas on, turn this to pilot, and push this down to light the pilot. See, we got a nice flame there. So the hood's not dirty. See, we got a nice flame there. Give that a minute. We'll see if we'll release this, if it stays on. Release it and see if it stays on. I'm gonna release it. Alright, she stayed on there. Alright. This flame door back on there. Roll out door. Turn this to on, and we'll turn the power on, and she should fire. We got zone valves here, I think. Or do we? Yeah, you still have ignition. Yeah, so new gas valve was back in 16, so that was 3 years ago. That's why I leave tags, so I can look back. So new thermocouple, relit pilot. It's running. A little gas boiler. It's got a little water heater here. The feed is good. Little three-quarter return coming back. Just all text, a shotgun system, just one zone. That's it. Should start heating up now. Give it a minute, make sure it comes back warm before I go, but yeah, it's coming back warm already. We'll give it a little time before I leave, but it should be fine. Let it heat up before I go. It's starting to go up warm now, so you can hear the feel the circulator. It's running.